When there's a claim that involves a public entity as a potential defendant, that the negligent party was a public entity, there are special deadlines that don't apply to typical personal injury cases. Fall down at a store, you have 2 years from the date of your injury to file a lawsuit. Pretty simple, straightforward. For public entities, it's a little bit different. And when I say public entities, it's actually broader than many people would think. If you're suing the state of New Jersey, obviously that's a public entity. But any division within the state of New Jersey, municipalities, local authorities, New Jersey Transit, there are a lot of other agencies that you might not think, oh, they're government entities, but they could be. Even some doctors at Rutgers Medical School, if you go to one of the hospitals up there, they could be considered a public employee. So it's another reason why it's important to consult an attorney early on, because if there's a claim that involves a state entity here in New Jersey, state of New Jersey, local government, something like that, they're governed by what's called the Tort Claims Act. And it goes back to Old English common law when we were first founded as the 13 original colonies, that generally you couldn't sue the government. They had sovereign immunity. Well, New Jersey has waived part of that sovereign immunity, but there's certain requirements to be able to sue a governmental entity. For example, if somebody has a fall down and it's a public street, first thing that needs to be 90 days from the incident, all entities that could potentially be involved have to be put on notice, and it's called the Tort Claims Notice. And there's a series of questions that need to be answered, and there's certain information you need to give the entity, and it needs to be done within 90 days. If it's not done within those 90 days, the claim could be barred. You might not be able to bring the claim at all after the incident. However, that's rare. It's hard to do it, so generally it has to be done within those 90 days. If it's not done within those 90 days, you may never be able to bring a claim, so it's more than just those 2 years.